This is a video to show the new functionality of problem list exclusivity, meaning that a problem can only exist either in active or past. You can see now in PFSH that these are all past problems, things that have occurred prior to this visit, and they're listed here. And you scroll down, and we've made a place so you can see their active problems. So you wonder, well, why are they on this medication, such as diabetes medication, and they don't have diabetes on their history? It's an active problem. You're managing it currently. Now let's say adding new problems have a little bit different look as well. So when we add this problem, let's say this patient's had a stroke. You can see now it's either active, history, or document only. There's no both function anymore. So this is a new problem, so we're going to say active because we're going to manage it. And we're going to add the onset date of exactly February. And we're going to add additional detail that it was left-sided. And add that to our document. The other thing you can see with our new problem list transition or evolution is we can add qualifiers. So we're going to add these qualifiers, and we're going to say it was embolic, that it was a middle cerebral artery, and that it was the left side. So we save that, and it's going to show the specifics here. But if we transition it to that problem, it's going to show permanently that way until we change it. So let's leave it to that. This patient also likely is going to have some right-sided weakness. So we're going to add right upper extremity hemiparesis. And that's going to be inactive because that's going to be something that you might order therapy for, so it's going to be an actual active problem. So we're going to save that as an active problem. And we're actually going to move this stroke to past history. So it's going to go from acute to past now. So we're going to move it over to history, okay? So we move it over there. You notice it can still stay in the document. In fact, we can add any of these past histories to the document and reactivate them. But I'm going to save it as resolved or historical so that it stays on that list. We hope this really helps you to clean up the problem list and simplify it quite a bit. Let us know if you have any questions.